Hello friends, let me hope you are doing well. This is Munya Scripts from Munya Scripts Lifestyle, and we are continuing with other video where I showed you the different ways we can do this by extracting this. What you have to select, if you recall, what we were doing is we got this, right clicked and went here to extract here. Then it does that. This is to replace because it was already done. So I would say all. So it has been replaced. Now I get this. This is the thing that I get. Right click and enter into the software. So I start with this as my second one. So I say open with Photoshop. I'll say next. Then for these fonts that are basically not existing, I'll just cancel. Okay, then from there I get to the folder again. I open up this because I switched to another computer. The other one was a little bit slow, so we have to repeat because I had not saved it. So I right click on this one, I say open up. Yes, so I cancel this also. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to also get this, because if I'm to use these two, I'm going to be showing you how I can use them. If I cross over to here, then I get this. What I'm going to first do is I change the tool to that. Then I go and change the workspace here to maybe graphics, web, then remove this. So I have the different stuff. So I introduce a new layer here to just get this image here, like to have a look at it as I design mine, because I'm just going to replace, I'm not going to design. So I drop it, not there, so I had to just drop it, oops, here, but it just gave it a new whatever window. So I just drag this and bring it here, point on that, no, point on this, then drop it. So now it has gone too large, so I click Ctrl P to be able to Ctrl T, then I'm clicking Ctrl minus, then I'm going to be holding Shift Alt to scale it a little bit uniform. Towards the center. Okay. We have to be keen because it is like distorting, like distorts. So then I'm to place it there. So I'm not going to use it, but it is like giving me a simple direction how to like cap up my design. So if I switch it off, then I come back this side. Now I look for my photo that I want to use. So if I go here to my PC, go to D, then here, lastly, I get this pic because it is the one that I played with and removed the background. So I drag it and drop it here. So like that, I can scale it. So I want to keep this design as simple as possible. So I click the Ctrl T to bring up these scales, but automatically when I'm bringing this, the scales do what? The scales are definitely there. So I first press enter, then leave it at that. Then if I click a Ctrl T again, then just click Ctrl. Let me first make this tick. I click Ctrl T again. then when I click control, I'm only just lifting it up or down. Are you seeing that I'm holding control? So then I click enter. Okay, so I press it somewhere here. Now I want this to extend it the other side. So to detect that, I'm going to be switching off and on the eyes. Okay. Okay, clouds. Discount. Okay, so this is the discount. Then place. Okay, so I select that, hold shift and also select place your image here. So now I drag them, Ctrl Z. I want to get them. Okay, then click Ctrl T, cancel. I hold Ctrl Alt Z because like I want to undo. So I select both of them, then Ctrl Z. I want not the heading, but I want the discount and this. What is its name? Place your image here. Put back the eyes. Then while I'm in the move tool, I move these. Holding shift moves them in a straight line. So now I go back to me here. Then I drag me this side a little bit. Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, then scale myself a little bit smaller, and enter like that. I place it there. Yes, I'm going to be placing it there because I don't need these logos. I've deleted them. Then I also do not need this follow stuff. So I place it here. I want it to be chopped. Sorry. I want it to be chopped, and on this image I wouldn't want to have this badge or logo, so I go get the clone stamp. Clone stamp, where are you? Where are you? Where is the stamp? Maybe because I'm in graphics, that is why it is not showing up. Let me go back here to window, then I go to photography. Yes, I believe I'll be getting it here. Spot healing brush, patch, this one here. I want this one, so I make sure that it is, this one was rasterized. So what should I do? What should I do? Rasterize layer. So after that, are you seeing? So has to be rasterized. So I've rasterized it. Let me first get the move tool, then like that. And after that, I can get the stamp, decrease it a little. It is too big. Make sure it is soft. Then I'm going to be copying this with Alt. Then I come and click that. Get this, come and click that. Get this. So I've removed it. So this is what I want. Then I get back here like that. It is too separated. What would I put here? Maybe let me see this cloud. Images here. Maybe I do that. So I'm just playing around with the design. Control Z, Control Alt Z, and so I hold Shift and move it somewhere there. So to have a design that is a little bit different, but with just that, then maybe when it comes to this image, okay, what should I put there? Which image? I have no any image to put inside here about QuickTime, because it is like not showing anything that needs an image. Okay, so here what I would maybe say or do, let me first have this button. This button, what should I put inside? So if I come and type in it, I would put scripts lifestyle. Get that, highlight it, then come here, change it to black. Then also change this font to bold. Then after that I can scale it to see it properly. So as you see it here, Control T, but its layer is selected. So then I scale it down to that. Now after that I can switch it back to what? To white. Select everything, then switch it to white, because white can make it a little bit shout out more. Okay, then I get this icon and send it backwards. Then get this name and send it a little bit back to balance. Okay, then that is done. Now I come here. So I come here, contrast text. What have I switched off? Heading. Okay. So if I come here to heading where you select it, remember this whatever is not in the fonts were removed. Okay, plan. Okay, so I would start with, I leave Explorer, then click this. Okay, then I put quick, because it is one word, QuickBooks. Then besides that, I got another one with us, I would say. For big and small there you go. Then turn it to black, get this, Ctrl T and scale it. Like that, and place it there. Maybe I would increase it a little bit like that. Then maybe what I would do to make it a little bit flexible, I would use that when I'm in a move tool. I move it a little bit, then a little bit, then a Ctrl T. To fill up the poster. Like that. Okay, so we shall continue with the next video as we explain, because it is like taking hours. It's taking too much time.